Here's how to save an Instagram Reel draft to your phone's gallery. So go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Now tap on the plus icon in the top left corner of your screen. Select the Reel tab from the bottom of the screen. And here in the top, you'll get 3 different options of edits, drafts, and template. You need to go ahead and tap on drafts and tap on this pencil icon beside the reel to edit it. Scroll to the far right of the options at the bottom until you see the downward option, which is the download button. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on save to camera roll, that is between draft and cancel. An icon will circle indicating it's saving, and once it's saved, the reel is in your gallery. To confirm, you can exit the Instagram and open your phone's photo gallery, and you should find the saved reel there. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.